As we start the show with last hour calls, Mitessh Thakkar joins us for that. Mitessh, hi, good afternoon. Been a very volatile sort of day. Your thoughts on how trade has panned out, especially considering that it's the bank nifty which has underperformed today actually. And what would be your stock calls?
Anuj, see, I think, for me on the Nifty, technically, good afternoon, the important part was 17,500 kind of holding out. We, did oscillate below that, but that level has broadly held on. And I think, that's the key observation, that we are not breaking below that level. Now, having said that, I think the structure still remains weak on the intraday indicator basis. So I think, this bounce back which is happening, this pullback which is happening, will see a lot of supply at higher levels. I think the best I can give this is possibly, to my understanding, is about 17,800, 850. Today, I think it's difficult for me to believe that it will go beyond that in a day or two. So I think pullbacks closer to about 17,800, 17,750 would be my selling zone, where I can either sell Nifty futures directly or even buy into put options or even sell out of money call options, because we are not, we are now only about 2 weeks away from expiry. Having said that, I think the bank Nifty, while today is, slightly on the underperforming side, the important level for bank Nifty is around 40,600, 550, which was the Friday's low. If that gets broken, then I think you will see the bank Nifty possibly give up a good part of the gains which it did in the last 2-3 weeks, and therefore both the indices consecutively therefore would be under pressure. So I think on the index, either sell now, either sell below 17,500 on a break below that, or sell closer to about 17,750 on the Nifty, and on the bank Nifty sell only below 40,600, 550. And I think both of these are a high probability event that eventually will break on the downside and see that some extension to this volatile and correction movement. Having said that, on the stock side, I have one buy and one sell. Maruti is something which is on the verge of breaking into fresh highs. So it's a conditional buy about 93.50. It is slightly tapered up, but I think it was around those 93.20 levels few minutes back. So about 93.50 buy with a stop below 92.70 for targets of 9,500. And IEX is breaking down after a few days of sideways consolidation. That's a sell with a stop at about 157 for targets of 145.
Okay, all right. So eventually headed lower. I mean, either you act on it now